Okay, now, good day, students. Let's start our lesson. The topic of our lesson is professional career. As usual, we start our lesson with the preview questions that we have to know whether you have a list of notion about professional career. Yes. Here I given 6 questions that we have to discuss and share with each other, and then we put it into a big discussion. Here are given 6 questions. What does your job involve? Are you responsible for anything or anyone? Have you had much training from the company? Have you been promoted since you started in the company? How do you feel about your future prospects in the company? And are you happy in the job? Okay, now just now we read the text. We have to. There is no list of notion to translate the text, but we have to be informed with the content of the text. Yes, and also pay attention to the given words because as we have to use those words in while communicating or while doing different kind of exercise given below. Now the first is we have to complete the words or phrases using words from the box. Yes. Here are given several words, and we have to choose the right version in order to fulfill write the right word. For example, the first I will show for myself: account department. Yes, department. If you read the text very attentively, you can find this word in the text. Account department. Okay, now let's start doing the exercise. Okay, now the next task which we do, match the words with the English definitions. Yes, in both bold are given English variant. In the first row we see the words, and in the second column you see the definitions. Yes, and the first is a trainee. It's a very junior person in a company. Yes, here we put it into the right position, and this is a person who, for example, is very young, and the person has no experiences in the field of working in a big company. And the next task, complete this with the suitable word or phrase. Yes, here we have to fulfill the missing gaps with the sentence. For example, I don't want to a full-time job. I prefer to work part-time. Yes, part-time, because from the text we know that he's very tired of traveling around the world, living in the hotels, and not seeing for example, the close people, and he prefers to work part-time. Okay, now the right answer is here, the part-time. Okay, now the next task which we do, match the words with the Russian equivalents. Now in the first column you see the word combinations in English, and in the second column you see the Russian equivalent. Account department. Here we translated бухгалтерский отдел. This is the right answer to the first word. The next exercise gives the English equivalents from the text above. Now подать заявление приема на работу. Yeah? If you return back to the text, now here we see applied for a job, and this is подать заявление. Да? And you can put this word here, or you may, for example, memorize the word and put it in the right order, yes, or in the right variant. And when we say that while translating these words, I have mentioned that we have to be carefully read the text. The next task also concerns with the translation. Я подал заявление в компанию по производству оборудования. I applied for a big company for manufacturing the equipments. Yes, the translation of this statement. And the rest of the statements we have to translate yourselves. Okay, now the next task which we are going to do, make a story about your own career ladder. And it shouldn't be very long, and we'll try to use active vocabulary of the text. The next is read and reproduce the dialogue in pairs. Yes, a student is in an advisor in an employment agency, and student is Tom Oldman looking for a job, and we have to prepare a dialogue using the active vocabulary on the text. Yes, an employment agency is given here the dialogue, and first of all I will check for the good reading in order to pay attention to the pronunciation, rises and low tone and low rise tone of for example given statements. Yes, but because your speech should be natural. Yes, and to try to use in rising tone in to use for example to read the dialogue. Okay, now this is all about the task, and I want to ask you, and I want to give a home assignment to write a story about your own career ladder of future. Yes, future career ladder, not for example just now, for example just now you do the career. Maybe you are not satisfied with your job, maybe you want a new job, you want to apply for a new job, and in this case I want to ask you to prepare a story or the presentation about your own new career, about your new career ladder. Thank you for your attention. See you at our next lesson.